Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the flight status using your flight number in the Avelo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the flight status button, and at the top of the page you can select if you want to search by airport or by flight number. So in this case you need to click on the flight number button. And then you have to set the date of the departure, and then you have to enter the flight number. And once you did both, just click on the See Flight Status button and you will be able to check it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.